Okay guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to link your Ghana MTN number to your Fidelity bank account. Yeah, that means you can withdraw from your bank account to your mobile wallet. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. And then I'll pull up my dial pad, which is any bank gives you a short code. So Fidelity's bank account code is *776#. So you click on, you call, yes, and after that you go to um after that choose option 1 as account service. Now, yes, okay, call option 1, choose option 1 as your account service, and then you see wallet service as option 4. You click on it. Yes, option 4, wallet service. That means to link your mobile money to your bank account. So you can see or choose option 1, which is link wallet. So you click option 1, choose option 1, and then you go, and then you choose between your network. So if you're using Vodafone Cash, you can choose to add Airtel to go. We have only 3 options over here. We have Airtel to go, mobile money, and then Vodafone, because Airtel to go are 2 networks. They are combination of 2 networks, Airtel and then Tigo network. So you can use them. So they comprise of only 4 networks over here, and you have mobile money, MTN Mobile Money, and then Vodafone Cash. So if you are using mobile money, just like me, you go for option 2. If you are using Airtel to go, you go for option 1, and then Vodafone Cash go for option 3. So I'll choose option 2, and then type me in the number. Yeah, so you type in your phone number that you wish to add. So I will type in 32646 023. This is my MTN number, and then you call, and that is it. So you can see this already linked because I've already linked to my account. So guys, this is how you link your mobile money to your wallet, and then you can um, unlink it by dialing the same